Hello everyone, my name is Eric Gowdy. I am the sales manager here at Chicago Motorcars. I have been around the automotive industry and specifically the performance industry for the better part of 25 years. Because of that, a lot of my customers often ask me where I would put my money. If money was no object, what was the ideal car? And there are a few on that list. This happens to be one of them. This is a 2018 Porsche GT2 RS, specifically the 991.2 chassis. These cars were produced in 2018 and 2019 with only 1,000 units total being produced. 700 horsepower from a twin turbo 3.8 liter flat six engine, boxer engine, Porsches obviously their calling card, and over 550 foot-pounds of torque. Now, what makes this particular car a little bit more special, in addition to some custom things that the previous owner did, is that this is a Weissach package. A Weissach package is going to shave 66 pounds off the car. And they do that with a few different things. Titanium anti-roll bars, carbon fiber axle coupling, a carbon fiber and magnesium roof, and then the big deal is the BBS magnesium wheels. This particular 2018 GT2 RS has a little over 7,000 miles on it. It has full paint protective film on the whole car. So every panel is protected with a clear and invisible film. It's going to help protect with rock chips. Very expensive process. On a car like this, you're probably going to spend around $7,000 for that sort of thing. The other thing that makes this car really unique, and something I personally love, because I love the heritage, is that this customer decided to do the houndstooth seat inserts. Now, if that isn't to your liking, don't worry, we do have the factory inserts. Personally, I think it goes outstanding, especially with this color. Now, obviously, we've gone over the bits and pieces on the car. The question is, well, Eric, why is this car so special? Why is this car something that you want to put in your garage one day? Well, in addition to the aforementioned low production numbers, etc., this is probably the greatest car I've ever driven under $1 million. Now, people often ask why, and the reason for that is this car is absolutely bulletproof. I have actually a few friends that have a very nice collection of cars. This happens to be in their collection. And they constantly tell me when they're going to grab the keys for their Ferrari, their McLaren, etc., this is the one they have the hardest time not grabbing. And that's because you can quite literally do anything you want in this car, be as hard as you want to it, and put it away, and it's fine the next morning. It is truly one of the most reliable and best performing supercars on the planet. And the final tidbit, and something that obviously is very concerning to people spending this kind of money on a car, you want to make sure that you're not going to lose a lot of that money. This is one of the few cars that you can park money in and it's almost a guaranteed return. The reason for that is because of the limited production numbers. Also, since this car came out in 2018, it has consistently and reliably increased in value, despite the miles slightly going up over those years. Obviously, the condition and the spec matters, but this car has continually increased in price. So what this has become is not only an incredible car to drive and an incredible car to own, it also is a very safe car to own financially. And just to reinforce that point one more time, Porsche did announce, well, the rumor mill is out, that the 992, which is the latest generation chassis, is actually going to be hybrid. Obviously, a lot of manufacturers are moving towards that technology because it allows them to create the horsepower that they're looking for, the performance they're looking for, without the emissions behind them. Now, while that's all well and good, this will then be the last aspirated, obviously turbocharged, GT2 RS out there. And with only 1,000 being made and only a 2-year production, the sky is the limit for this platform. Hopefully one day I will be in a position where I can get one of my own. Unfortunately, this car has been appreciating in value at such a rate that it's consistently out of my reach, but it's a goal of mine and I will attain it one day.